The Bicol region is among the areas affected by serious flooding due to a shear line. Rosas Olarte is on the phone for the details. Go ahead, Rosas.
A 32-year-old male aboard his motorcycle was swept by floodwater in Barangay Bigaa, Viraca, Catanduanes while crossing the heavily flooded intersection of the diversion road to Barangay Hikming yesterday afternoon. Viraca Municipal Police Station confirmed the victim was declared dead on arrival by attending physician at Eastern Bicol Medical Center and reportedly the first casualty of severe flooding in most parts of Catanduanes due to shear line. More than 1,500 individuals have been evacuated in Caramoran town, mostly residents of Barangay Sabangan, when a flood control dike was overpowered by a flash flood, rendering the adjacent community submerged. Catanduanes Governor Patrick Azanza has ordered a mandatory evacuation of affected population in a Memorandum Order Number 44 Series of 2026 to prevent more damage to lives and property of this current situation. Since yesterday, residents tried helping rescuing each and braving floodwaters to save neighbors' belongings. Classes are suspended today in most parts of Bicol region. In Albay, face-to-face classes in all levels are ongoing or are implemented throughout Albay province. Camarines Norte, all levels, public and private, in Mercedes, Santa Elena, Talisay, and Vinzons towns. All levels are suspended also in public and private plus government work in Basud, Daet, and Labo, also in Camarines Norte. In Camarines Sur, Naga City face-to-face classes from preschool to senior high school to public and private are also suspended. All levels, public and private in Caramoan Town, Goa, San Jose, and Siruma towns. In Catanduanes, all classes are suspended, especially in throughout the province. But however, only public schools have suspended their classes, especially in Manok and Higmoto town. All levels are suspended also in towns of Baras, Batok, Ramoran, Pandan, and San Miguel. While in Panganiban and in Viga, Catanduanes, classes are suspended in all levels in public and private plus government work. In Sorsogon province, all levels have suspended their classes in public and private, especially in Castilla, Matnog, and Pilar. Meanwhile, a gale warning has also been issued over eastern parts of the region. Fishermen and operators have warned of small vessels in Albay, Sorsogon, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, and Catanduanes against venturing out to sea because of strong and high waves. It also added that the shear line is also expected to bring cloudy skies and occasional rains over Albay and the rest of the region. Mai?
Rosas, how is the situation in Bicol now, especially in Catanduanes? Have the floods subsided? At kamusta ang panahon dyan?
Yes, Mai. Clearing operations are ongoing right now with clearing teams and personnel already dispatched or deployed to landslide and flooded areas in Catanduanes. Also in Camarines Norte and other parts of Bicol who have experienced severe flooding due to shear line. Flood has subsided so far. A slight to moderate rains from time to time are sporadic elsewhere across Bicol region. However, residents are warned that this situation will persist until tomorrow, Tuesday, and hope things will be better after this. Mai?
Rosa, stay safe and thanks for that report.